Welcome back to my channel, Easy Web Tutorial Hub, the best place for you to get tutorials on how to make money online, how you can fix your web space, and how you can solve numerous problems when it comes to WordPress and the rest. All right. So here in this tutorial, we'll be looking at something simple, a simpler way to make money online without stressing your brain. Okay, here a tutorial is all about Google Translate. I can assure you that people are making a whole lot of money using Google Translate. You can make up to $300, $250 in a day, depending on your work rate and how you can be able to meet up with some of the challenges, the minor challenges. All right. So, in case you're new to the channel, like I I always stress, please don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. All right. So please, I'm going to be walking you through the procedures I was able to gather up to $250 and it was sent directly to my PayPal account. Okay, earlier this year, being 2022, I was able to gather exactly 120 something dollars in couple of days doing this kind of a minor job from the comfort of my home, and I was just using phone. All right, I was just using phone. All right, so like I said again, you're welcome back to Easy Web Tutorials Hub, where you learn everything money, how to make money online, tech, and how to handle other technology stuff like that. All right, so please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You share the channel, you share the video, all right, with your friends as well. All right, so I'm gonna be unveiling this to you in a couple of minutes from now. Okay, in a couple of minutes from now, and if you follow this video from the beginning to the end, you'll be able to replicate exactly what I did to make the same money you're seeing on the screen. Okay, you'll be able to make the same money, exactly same money, and you'll be smiling to the bank. All right, you get it directly to your PayPal account. All right, and in case you don't have a PayPal account, I will make a video on how you can create a verified PayPal account, either US or UK. Okay, I'm gonna be creating a video like that for you to get to know what you should do online and how to receive your payment. All right, I'll create that in a couple of days from now. All right, so please stick and watch this video from this moment to the end if you want to understand what I'm trying to say. All right, so we're going to be looking at the diagrammatic aspect of this video. Okay, so now I talked about Google Translate. I was able to use Google Translate. Okay, now we're going to be your job actually is to translate from English to other language, or translate from other language to English, or from other languages to other languages, like Dutch to Arabic, and from Arabic to German, from German to Spanish, from Spanish to French, all of these stuff. All right, you don't need to understand how to speak those languages. Google Translate will put you through and you'll be able to make a whole lot of money online using this very method. It's very cheap. It's a cheap method, like I always stress, is a cheap method. Okay, so anybody, including yourself, can be able to make money. If I can make money from this, okay, but you need to put in hard work. All right, you need to put in hard work for you to succeed in this aspect. All right, so please, in case you're new to the channel, like I always stress, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. All right, just hit the subscribe button and drop a comment how to make money online, and we'll be updating you on how to make money online. All right, we'll be updating you how to make money online frequently without problem. Okay, so now that you are on this, okay, you're gonna be going to Google Translate. Then I will show you what I'm talking about. You see it directly here. Okay, now we have the two tab, that is enter text and it will be translated. All right, so the first tab is for you to choose the language you want to translate from. The first tab is to choose the language you want to translate from. Now it could be English, and the other tab could be Arabic or any other language. All right, so whatsoever you'll be typing here will be reflecting directly on the translate aspect. All right, on the other aspect, you will get the actual stuff you are translating. Now you're trying to learn how to begin great, how to begin how how to be great in life by helping the YouTube community. Sorry, how to begin great in life by helping the YouTube community. Sorry for the typo error. All right, but it's just for tutorial sake, and we're supposed to put in our mind and understand what I'm trying to say. All right, this is for tutorial sake. Okay, so that's the Arabic translation of it. I'm gonna be changing it to another language like okay, that's Italian. All right, Italian is something like come in Nigerian Alain Grandel. Okay, so we're gonna be trying other languages like Spanish. Okay, we're gonna be trying Spanish, and when we try Spanish, you'll see something like como empezar bien en la vida, something like that. Okay, so that's just how it works, and you can translate from other languages like French to English, like from French to English and French to other languages. You can just do that, and you click copy, then you package it and send to your client. All right, you can even listen to those words. You can watch Google play it for you to understand what they are saying in essence. All right, so like in our diagram there, you saw something like English to other languages and you make your dollars, and English to other languages to English, you still make lots of dollars. All you need to do is to translate. All you have to do here is just to translate, but this will be done on a freelance website. All right, one of the freelancing websites that specializes in this. You can also sell this kind of skill on Fiverr, Upwork, and the rest. But there is one dedicated freelancing site called voices.com, the world first voiceover and audio service marketplace where you can sell this kind of skills. All right, all you need to do is just to sign up an account. They have premium and free account, but for me, I'm still using the free account and I am still making money with the free account. So I believe you can still make money with the free account, though the premium account will expose you to more jobs than the free account. So that's just the major difference. But on this website, all you need to do is just to sign up an account. When you sign up an account, like find talent, hire professional voiceover artist, you put in your email, then you click on continue. You can continue with Gmail, Google, or with Apple. All right. But if in case you have an account already, you can just log in directly and you are on the go. All right, so for me, I have an account with them. I created an account with them already, so all I have to do is just to log in. Oh, I've forgotten the username. All I have to do is just to log in, and in case you don't have an account with them already, like I said, set up an account with them and you start getting job. When you get this job, you come to Google Translate. You translate those words, arrange them the way they should be arranged. You don't need to understand this language before you can do the job. All right, so some companies are there, they don't have this time to start translating these words, but it is necessary for them to translate them before they offer them to their customers. All right, so you can just do it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.